Government troops counterattacked throughout the day as they tried to drive the rebels from half a dozen.
Mga kababayan, last night, rebel soldiers attacked Malacanang. The Presidential Security Group, with tragic loss of lives, decisively defeated them. The rebels then fled to Camp Aguinaldo. Groups of rebels went on to try to seize Channel 4. This attempt has likewise failed. As Commander-in-Chief,
Ginigising tuwing umaga, ayaw bumangon. Kapit ko sa kama, nananaginip maghapon. Madugan, missing ka naman. Madugan, missing ka naman. Wala na bang pakinabang sa taong batugan? Nagpapalipas lang ng oras, walang ginagawa. Akala mo'y pensyonado, di na natutong kumayod. Batugan,
Aquino had to be replaced, they said, because she was soft on communism. Their leader, Colonel Gregorio Honesto, had been a key figure in the overthrow of President Ferdinand Marcos. To let the nation know she's in charge, President Aquino told a national television audience that this time she would be tough on the rebels.
let me assure our people that government is firmly in control of the situation. We shall defeat and punish these traitors.
By sundown, it was clear that support for the coup was collapsing.
Walang alam na magawa, kaya wala rin siya napapala. Ang buhay niya ay ang nandun na lang, di ka na pa magbabago. Madugan.